Hi there! In our last video we had mentioned some information about English phonics. We had taken you through consonant clusters. Do you remember what consonant clusters mean? Yes, you're right. They are blends of two or more consonant sounds in a word positioned side by side, with no intervening sound in between. Peering at these two words written on the board, we can see that either of them has a consonant cluster, and both of them consist of three consonant sounds. What about showing you how a consonant cluster is pronounced? Let's take the first word, and its consonant cluster is spr, 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 a consonant cluster of three consonant sounds, s, p, and r. The right way to pronounce such a consonant cluster is to say spr, spr, with no intervening vowel sound between them. Okay? You had listened to chapter 1 of our short story, in which you knew about Mr. Suburb and his perseverant students. And of course you knew about the field trip, through which the students are going to carry out a solution for the consonant cluster pronunciation problem. And now the type of the field trip is being revealed for you. A field trip to an abandoned demolition site. And here, chapter 2 of our short story begins. Mr. Suburb and his students are meeting two wrecking ball crane drivers. And you may wonder, how would that be useful for our students to pronounce a consonant cluster? Hang on, and you will see. And now, the two decent wrecking ball crane drivers are giving us a demonstration of how consonant sounds are blended together, allowing no vowel sound to intervene. And now, two consonant sounds are going to be blended together, giving us a cluster of two consonant sounds, and that is all due to the massive power of the two wrecking balls. And for an example, t sound and r sound, they are going to be blended together, giving us the tr cluster. And now you will see the blending process of these two consonants together after 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now we have got a consonant cluster of two consonant sounds, tr. And now you have known how consonant sounds are blended together in a blending process, I suppose. What about having these three consonant sounds blended together to have a cluster of three consonant sounds? And as we have done it before, after 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now we have got a cluster of three consonant sounds, sk, skr, 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 skr. And at the end of our story, we wish you would answer a few questions for feedback. Question number 1. Do you believe some students or new English learners have this problem? Consonant clusters pronunciation difficulty. Question number 2. If there, do you think that Mr. Suburb's idea was effective? And question number 3. Could you give us other ideas of a similar technique to solve the problem? I'm waiting for your answers in the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.